Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to discuss about the very good thing number system. As you have learned about the various number system in mathematics, natural number system, integer number system. So in computer we are going to learn some different types of number system. Binary number system we are going to learn. The number is, as you know, that number is made up by a set of individual digital. For example, 1234 is made up of 1, 2, 3, and 4. The value of a digit in a number is determined on the basis of the three factors: value of the digit itself, the position of the digit in a number, and the base of the number system. So these three things is very important. The decimal number system is most popular system. It has 10, 1 0 as its base, 10 as its base. It consists of digits from 0 to 9. This system is used by us in our day-to-day life, but it is not used by computer. Computer use binary code representation. All digital computers store number, letter, and other character in coded form. The code used to represent character is binary code. The code made up of binary digit or bits. Every character is represented by a string, zeros and ones. The only digits found in the binary numbering system. Number system is a system of reprocessing number in various ways. It denotes a group of characters which denote various numerical quantity. There are various kinds of number system, example decimal, hexadecimal, octal, and binary number system. Computer use binary numbers for the internal representation of data. This representation 0 and 1 as off and on is very convenient to use with the electronic component and circuits. Since binary representation of a decimal number system can be very large, which can be inconvenient to handle for human being. To work with small expression, more number system, octal, hexadecimal have been invented. Base number system of base n has a exactly n digit of symbols. As decimal number system which has the base 10 contain the 10 digit. Binary number system base 2 has 2 digit 0 and 1. Octal number system base 8 has 8 digit. The hexadecimal system base 16 has 16 digit. First, about the decimal number system. In the decimal system, successive position to the left of the decimal point representation unit: 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, if we consider the number 365, the digit 5 represent the number of units, 6 represent the number of tens, and 3 the number of 100. 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1, 365. So thus, as we move one position to the left, the value of digit increase 10 times. So we can see that the position of the number affect its value. Binary number system. In binary number system, only two digit 0 and 1 are used. The example the string of 110011 is used to represent the number 51 in decimal system. The binary system use 2 instead of 10 as its base. The binary digits are abbreviation of as bits. In computer, as the internal representation of data is done in binary number, the electronic component and circuits use two states of the binary number 0 and 1 to show on or off state. 1 is on, presence of the current; 0 is off, absence of the current. Example 110011. You can change it into decimal number like this way. You can multiply each digit by 2. After that, you can from the right side starting the power by 0 of 2 power 0, then 2 power 1, then 2 power 2, then 2 power 3, then 2 power 4, then 2 power 5, like this way. After that, when you solve it, then decimal number will come in. Suppose for the 1 into 2 power 5, the answer will come in 32. 1 into 2 power 4, 16. Then 2 power 1 into 0, 0. Then 2 power 2 into 0, 0. And 2 power 1 equal to 2. And 2 power 0 equal to 1. So 32 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1, 51. This is a decimal number. So octal number system. The octal number system imply a base 8. It require 8 symbol. The decimal symbol 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Octal decimal conversion are done as 252. 2 into 8 power 2, 5 into 8 power 1, 2 into 8 power 0. As I said that for the it multiply by the base. So octal number base is 8. That is why all the digit of the number multiply by 8. Then from the right side the power is rise 0, 1, 2 like this. So look here, 2 into 8 power 2, 64. 5 into 8 power 1, 8. And 2 into 8 power 0, 1. So it is coming 2 into 64, 5 into 8, then 2 into 1. 128, 40 plus 2, 170. So 252 means 170 in decimal number. So 252 octal equal to 170 decimal number. Hexadecimal. 16 symbol used in hexadecimal system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E and F. These symbols are used. Last symbol A, B, C, D, E, F corresponding to the decimal number. A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14, F equal to 15 respectively. The hexadecimal to decimal conversion is done as, suppose I have written 2F3. Look here, it is a hexadecimal. As you know that base of the hexadecimal number is 16. So we can multiply the digit of its number by 16. So 2 into 16, then F into 16, then 3 into 16. As you know that F equal to 15.